watching complete my video and subscribe my channel.
All right, America, look at what you're seeing right now, because this image right here tells the whole story before I even say a single word. On the left, you've got the all-new 2025 Ram 1500 RHO, matte black, wide body stance, orange underglow cutting through that Nevada desert dust like it owns every inch of the road. And on the right, the TRX, faded, blurred, pushed into the background like last season's news. Now, I know what you're thinking. There's no way Ram did this. There's no way they replaced 702 horsepower with a 6-cylinder and expected us to be okay with it. And honestly, I get it. I felt the same way. The TRX was an icon. It was the truck. It was the one you saved up for, the one your neighbor looked at twice, the one that made grown men stop in a parking lot just to stare. But here's what nobody in the truck community wants to admit right now. What you're seeing on this thumbnail is not a downgrade story. It is an evolution story. Ram didn't take something away from you. They built something smarter, something leaner, something that actually makes sense for the real-world American truck buyer who isn't just buying for the bragging rights, but actually needs performance, efficiency, and capability every single day. The RHO isn't the TRX's little brother. It's the TRX's upgrade. And by the time this video is over, that image on the left, that black beast eating Nevada desert alive, is going to mean something completely different to you. Welcome to Elite Auto Reviews. Let's get into it. Okay, so here's where the real argument starts. Right here, under this hood. What you're looking at is the heart of the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO, a 3.0-liter twin-turbo Hurricane inline-6 engine. And before you close this video, I need you to stay with me for just 60 seconds, because this engine is not what you think it is. People hear inline-6 and they immediately write it off. They picture a family sedan. They picture something boring, something quiet, something their dad drives to the grocery store on Sunday morning. But that is not what this is, not even close. This engine produces 540 horsepower and 521 pound-feet of torque. And unlike the TRX's supercharged Hemi that hits you like a freight train, this Hurricane delivers instant, linear, twin-turbo power that pulls hard from the moment your foot touches the pedal. No lag, no drama, just clean, aggressive, confident acceleration that makes you feel like the road belongs to you. Ram's engineers didn't just swap engines here, they completely rethought what a performance truck engine should feel like in 2025. Fuel efficiency up, power delivery smoother, throttle response sharper, and the sound? Don't even get me started on the sound, because twin turbos have their own language, and this one speaks it fluently. The TRX's Hellcat V8 was loud, proud, and absolutely legendary. Nobody is arguing that. But this Hurricane inline-6 is precise, purposeful, and built for the next generation of American truck performance. So when you look at this engine bay and think they downgraded, look closer, because what Ram built here is not a step back, it's a giant leap forward. This is Elite Auto Reviews, and this engine deserves your full respect.
Let's talk about the one thing that nobody in the truck world wants to have an honest conversation about, and that's money. Real money, American money, the kind that comes out of your actual bank account when you walk into that dealership and sign on the dotted line. Because here's what this image is showing you, and I want you to really let it sink in. Two trucks, same dealership lot, same category, same target buyer, but one of them has a price tag that is $47,000 cheaper than the other. $47,000. That is not a small difference. That is a down payment on a house. That is 2 years of college tuition. That is a brand new, fully loaded mid-size SUV sitting in your driveway alongside your truck. The TRX, when fully loaded, was kissing 6 figures. Some bills were pushing over $100,000 for a pickup truck. And yes, it was worth every penny if raw horsepower was your religion. But the RHO? You're getting the same wide-body aggressive stance, the same 35-inch all-terrain tires, the same Bilstein adaptive suspension, the same off-road ready platform, and you're walking out of that dealership with nearly 50 grand still in your pocket. Now that money doesn't disappear. You can put it into mods, into accessories, into a trailer, into literally anything that makes your truck life better. The RHO isn't the budget option, it is the smart option. And smart is what wins in the long run, every single time, in every garage across this country. Elite Auto Reviews, because your money deserves the truth. This right here, this is what the RHO was built for. Not a drag strip, not a show floor, not a parking lot in Scottsdale. This truck was engineered, tested, and tortured in the American desert. Places like Moab, like the Baja Peninsula, like the open red rock terrain of the Southwest, where the ground fights back and only the best trucks survive. Look at that image. All four wheels off the ground. Dust clouds swallowing the horizon. That's not a stunt. That's Tuesday for this truck. The Ram 1500 RHO runs 35-inch all-terrain tires straight from the factory, sits on Bilstein Blackhawk adaptive shocks that automatically adjust based on terrain, and clears nearly 12 inches of ground underneath, which means rocks, ruts, ledges, and washes that would destroy a normal truck are just speed bumps for the RHO. And here's what the off-road community doesn't talk about enough. The RHO's high-flow air induction system with desert pre-filtering heats dust and moisture out of the engine, which matters enormously when you're running through terrain like this at speed. The TRX was built to dominate too, nobody's forgetting that. But the TRX was a blunt instrument, a sledgehammer. The RHO is a scalpel, more refined, more efficient, more in tune with what serious off-road driving actually demands from a truck. When you're deep in Utah Canyon country with no cell service and 30 miles of trail ahead of you, you don't want the most powerful truck. You want the most capable truck. And capability is exactly what Ram built into every single inch of this machine. Elite Auto Reviews, built for people who actually use their trucks.
Here's the part of the conversation that TRX loyalists really truly do not want to have. But we're going to have it anyway, because this is Elite Auto Reviews, and we tell you the truth, even when it stings a little. Fuel economy, real numbers, real costs, every week. The TRX gets 10 miles per gallon in the city and 14 on the highway. That's it. That's the number. And look, when you've got 702 horsepower under your right foot, that's the price you pay. And plenty of TRX owners paid it happily and didn't think twice. But the RHO, 18 city, 24 highway. Do the math with me right now. If you're driving 15,000 miles a year, which is right around the American average, and gas is sitting at $3.50 a gallon, the RHO saves you over $1,000 annually at the pump compared to the TRX every single year. That's a weekend trip with your family. That's new tires. That's a set of aftermarket wheels. And it adds up fast over the life of the truck. That image of the TRX sitting at the gas station with the gauge on empty while the RHO cruises past without stopping, that's not just a graphic. That's your financial reality if you're choosing between these two trucks for daily driving. Performance shouldn't cost you a fortune every single time you need to refill. The RHO gives you real-world truck performance with real-world fuel numbers that don't make your wallet cry every Monday morning. Smart performance, smart efficiency. That's the American way in 2025. Elite Auto Reviews. We do the math so you don't have to.
Lights out, engines screaming. Two of the most talked about performance trucks in America lined up side by side at the strip. And what you're seeing in this aerial shot is the moment that every truck fan has been waiting for since Ram announced the RHO was replacing the TRX. This is the showdown. The rubber-burning, tire-smoking, stadium light blazing battle that settles the debate once and for all, at least on the drag strip. The TRX runs 0 to 60 in 3.7 seconds. That's supercar territory. That's a number that makes sports car guys uncomfortable. The RHO, 4.4 seconds, which means the TRX beats it by less than a second, less than 1 second. On a public road, in real-world traffic, in normal everyday driving, you will never feel that difference. Not once. You will not know it. Your passengers will not know it. The person pulling up next to you at the light will not know it. What they will know is that a Ram 1500 RHO just launched off that line so hard that the tire smoke is still hanging in the air 30 feet behind it. The TRX wins this round. Let's be completely honest about that. 162 more horsepower is 162 more horsepower, and drag strip numbers don't lie. But here's the thing about drag strips. You visit them. You don't live there. The RHO was built for everything that happens after you leave the strip, and that is where this truck absolutely dominates. Stay with us. The best parts of this comparison are still coming. Elite Auto Reviews, where the real race is the one you drive every single day. Look at that face. Seriously, just look at it. That grille, those LED headlights burning straight through the dark like twin searchlights locked on a target. The chrome Ram badge sitting dead center, catching every bit of light in that tunnel like it was born to be photographed. This is the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO, and from this angle, straight on, no angles, no flattering side shots. It looks absolutely menacing in a way that very few trucks can pull off. And that matters. I know truck guys aren't supposed to care about how something looks when they're talking about performance and capability and horsepower numbers. But let's be real for 1 second. You care. I care. We all care. Because you're going to be driving this thing every day, parking it in front of your house, pulling up to job sites, taking it on road trips through Oklahoma and Tennessee and the Texas Hill Country. And when you stop for gas, when you park at a trailhead, when you pull into a campground at 7 in the morning with this thing gleaming in the sunrise, people are going to stop and stare. Because the RHO kept everything that made the TRX visually intimidating. The wide body, the aggressive stance, the muscular fenders flaring out over those massive all-terrain tires, the front end that looks like it's daring you to get out of the way. Ram didn't soften the design when they changed the powertrain. They kept the attitude completely intact and just made the engine smarter. What you're seeing in this image isn't just a truck. It's a statement. It's a declaration. It tells every other truck on the road exactly who's in charge. This is Elite Auto Reviews, and the RHO means business.
This is what it's all about, right here. This image, two silhouettes sitting on the bed of a pearl white Ram 1500 RHO, Colorado Rocky Mountains stretching out forever in front of them, morning mist floating across the valley below, the kind of sunrise that makes you remember why you work as hard as you do. This is the truck lifestyle, not the drag strip, not the spec sheet, not the horsepower debate. This, the freedom to go wherever you want, whenever you want, in a machine that can handle anything the American landscape throws at it. And that's exactly what the RHO delivers. You buy this truck, and your weekend options change completely. Suddenly, the trail that was too rough is now your warm-up. Suddenly, the mountain pass that your old sedan would have struggled on is just another Wednesday. Suddenly, you're the person with the truck that everybody wants to ride in. The person who gets the text at 6 a.m. saying, "Hey, are you in for the camping trip?" Because everyone knows your truck can actually get there. The RHO is $47,000 less than the TRX. That money, put it toward the experiences. Put it toward the national parks, the off-road memberships, the rooftop tent, the overlanding gear, the road trip fuel. Because a truck is only as good as the life you build around it. And the RHO gives you the performance to live that life without breaking the bank to get there. America was built on freedom, the open road, the next horizon. And the Ram 1500 RHO was built to take you there in style, in comfort, and with enough capability to make every adventure worth remembering. Elite Auto Reviews. Drive something worth talking about.
All right, forget the opinions for a second. Let's just look at the numbers side by side, because the numbers don't lie, and they don't have a bias, and they don't care about brand loyalty or nostalgia, or which truck you had a poster of on your wall in middle school. Cold, hard facts on the table right now. RHO, 540 horsepower, 4.4 seconds to 60, 24 miles per gallon on the highway, and a starting price that is $47,000 less than the TRX. TRX, 702 horsepower, 3.7 seconds to 60, 14 miles per gallon on the highway, and discontinued, gone, no longer in production. That last word right there, discontinued, is the one that should make every TRX buyer pause and think carefully. Because what happens when a truck is discontinued? Parts get harder to find, dealer support changes, resale value becomes unpredictable, the ecosystem around it starts to shrink. Meanwhile, the RHO is the future of Ram's performance truck lineup, which means engineering support, dealer network, parts availability, future updates, and a community of owners that is only going to grow larger and more passionate with every passing year. Now, on raw horsepower, TRX wins. 162 more horses is real. On fuel economy, RHO wins by 10 miles per gallon. On price, RHO wins by nearly $50,000. On production future, RHO wins completely. You do the math. You weigh what matters to you as a truck owner, someone who actually drives this thing, fuels it, services it, and lives with it every single day. The numbers make the argument better than any hot take ever could. Elite Auto Reviews. Always let the data drive the decision.
Welcome back to Elite Auto Reviews, the channel where we don't sugarcoat, we don't take sides, and we don't tell you what to think. We give you the facts, we show you the footage, and we let you make the call, like the intelligent truck owner you are. And today we are diving into the most talked about truck controversy in America right now. Ram replaced the TRX. The Hellcat-powered, 702 horsepower, quarter-mile destroying, tire-shredding legend known as the TRX is gone. And in its place stands the 2025 Ram 1500 RHO. And the internet has not been quiet about it. Forum threads are blowing up, truck groups are divided, TRX owners are defending their investments, RHO buyers are defending their decision, and everybody in between is just trying to figure out, did Ram mess up, or did Ram just make the smartest truck move in years? That's what we're answering today. We are going deep on power, price, off-road performance, fuel economy, towing, and the overall value proposition of these two trucks. Because if you're spending $40, $50, $60, $70, or $100,000 on a pickup truck, you deserve a real, honest, thorough comparison that treats you like an adult. No fluff, no filler, no clickbait answers that waste your time. Just the real story behind the Ram RHO, the real legacy of the TRX, and everything you need to know before you make your next truck decision. Behind me right now is the RHO, and by the end of this video, you're going to understand exactly what it is and exactly what it isn't. Let's get into it. This is Elite Auto Reviews.